treat yourself to these chocolate cottage cheese waffles for an indulgent yet nutritious brunch item. Start by blending the cottage cheese and the milk together using a stick blender or a mixer, making sure that this mixture is very smooth before continuing. To the cottage cheese mixture, add the 2 eggs and the brown sugar and use a whisk to combine everything well. In a large bowl, combine the flour, the cocoa powder, salt, and baking powder, and use a whisk to make sure the ingredients are well combined. Pour the blended cottage cheese mixture into the dry ingredients and use a rubber spatula to bring everything together for a smooth batter. Pour in your melted butter and fold it in until well incorporated. Heat up your waffle iron, here I'm using an 8-inch large waffle iron, and spray it with some nonstick spray before adding a cup of the batter. Close the lid of the waffle iron and cook until your waffle iron says that they're ready. Then remove, place them on a plate, and you can garnish them with some fresh berries, some fruit, some whipping cream, and of course a dash of icing sugar. Now that is a French kiss recipe. Find the full instructions at frenchkisscook.com.